इस वीडियो में हम मनी मार्केट इंस्ट्रूमेंट का डिस्कशन करेंगे। पहला मनी मार्केट इंस्ट्रूमेंट का टाइप है ट्रेजरी बिल्स। ट्रेजरी बिल इज अ टाइप ऑफ मनी मार्केट इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऑफर्ड टू finance short-term debt obligation of Government of India. There are three types based on duration of money market instrument. First one is for 91 days, another one is 182 days, and next one is 364 days. There will be a sure question on this. The question will be like, they will change this data. They can do it 92 days, 181 days, 365 days, like that. So you remember these three and you can mark a right choice. After that we will discuss the participants in treasury bills. It will be few institutions like state government and Central Bank of Nepal. They can participate in treasury bills. The next topic is certificate of deposit. The period for which it can be issued is 7 days to 1 year. But most of the bank offer for 3 months, 6 months or 12 months. And it can be up to 1 lakh. Minimum value is 1 lakh. It is a money market instrument issued in demat form. It is issued in demat form or as a usance promissory note by scheduled commercial bank excluding regional rural bank and land development bank, and select all India finance institutions to raise short term resources. This is issued by scheduled commercial bank and select all India financial institution to raise short term resources. It is discounted instrument issued at a discounted price and can be redeemed at par value. And some data we will read from the book. CDs, certificate of deposits, can be issued to individuals other than minors. There can be question that can CDs be issued to individuals like minors? So answer will be no. It can be issued to individual other than minors, corporations, companies, trust, funds, associations, etc. Non-resident Indian may also subscribe to certificate of deposits. However, they are mainly subscribed to by banks, mutual funds, provident and pension funds, and insurance companies. The minimum amount of CD should be 1 lakh. It should be 1 lakh, not less than that. The minimum deposit that can be accepted from a single subscriber should not be less than 1 lakh, and certificate of deposits are accepted in multiples of 1 lakh thereafter. Thank you.